So my dear students, very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. Okay. So today we are going to learn a new topic. But before we start that topic, let's revise the topic which we did yesterday. And what we did? Yes, what we learned? Yes, we learned present perfect continuous tense. Okay, I gave you homework yesterday. Okay, I just told you to frame 5 sentences by using this tense. Okay, have you done that? Let me check quickly. Okay, first you please give me one example of present perfect continuous tense. Your name? Deepak. Okay, Deepak. Okay, I have been watching TV. Okay, very good. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Now, please, what you have to do? Now, you have to convert this sentence into negative. Who will convert? Yes, Bhavuk. Okay, I've not been watching TV for 2 hours. Very good. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Now, what you have to do? You have to convert this sentence into interrogative. And Priyanshu will do it. Okay. Have I been? Very good. What do? We simply put helping verb. We simply put has or have in the beginning or before the subject. Have I been watching TV for 2 hours? I hope it is clear. Very good. Big clap for him. Very good, Shabash. Now another sentence, you please. I have been driving a car for 2 hours. Very good, Shabash. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Good. Now please convert this sentence into negative. Yes, you. Okay, very good. I have not been driving. What we have done? We simply put not after have. Okay, I have not. Very good. Okay, I'm going to give turn to Pavneet. Pavneet, now you please. Okay, I have unmuted you. Please speak up. One sentence using this.
Have I been driving a car?
Very good. Have I been driving a car for 2 hours? Very good. Big clap for you. And here I've given something. Pavneet, look. This is for you. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, bache. So next I'm going to give turn to Mehak. Mehak, I unmuted you. Please speak up one. Speak up one sentence. Yes.
Susan is reading book.
Sorry. Mehak, please repeat. You have to use present perfect continuous tense. By using this tense, you have to frame one sentence. Okay, hurry up.
Susan is reading book.
Oh, not correct. Is no, bache. No, it's not present perfect continuous tense.
They are playing football after school.
Sorry, repeat please.
They are playing football after school.
You know they are playing football. This is present continuous tense. So this is not present perfect continuous tense. Were you in the class yesterday? Did you attend the class? Mehak, you tell first.
Yes, ma'am.
So your answer is not correct.
Ma'am, the sentence they have been.
Yes.
They have been playing since morning.
Okay, now it's correct. Very good. Look, I've given something. Very good, bache. Now repeat, please. Repeat, please.
They have been playing since morning.
They have been playing cricket or something. They have been playing cricket since morning. Very good. Very good, Shabash. Now, please convert this sentence into negative. Okay, you, Raghav. They have been playing cricket. They have not been playing cricket since morning. Very good, Shabash. Bache, keep it up. Big clap for him. Hurry up, class. Very good. Okay. Now you have to convert it into interrogative. Yes. Who has not given me the answer till yet? Yes, 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 you. Have they been playing cricket since morning? Very good, Shabash. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Very good, Shabash. Bache, please sit down. Okay. Now let's start our topic. So you already know that present perfect continuous tense is used to express the actions which started in the past, still continued up to the present. Okay? Clear or not clear? Clear? Done. Okay. So I'm going to write one sentence. The boys have been playing cricket for an hour. Okay. Now can you identify the tense? Can you identify the tense? What happened? What happened? You have just done it. What happened? Have been, first form ing, time reference for. Please. No, not like that. Okay. Yes, you. Yes, present perfect continuous tense. That means action started in the past, continued up to the present. Okay. Clear or not clear? Clear. Okay, I'm now going to write another sentence. Okay, now look at the board. The boys had been playing. Okay, the boys had been playing for about an hour. Okay, for about an hour when it started to rain. Now, yes, have you noticed something? Any difference between these two sentences? Any difference? Yes, offline student. You, Priyanshu, please tell. Okay, we have used had been. Okay, first from ing same and time reference is same. The only difference that we have used had been. Okay, now you know what? So this sentence shows that an action started in the past. Action started in the past, but still continued up to the time, another time in the past. Continued up to the another time in the past. And in the first sentence, action started in the present. Started in the present and continued up to the present. Continued up to the present time. But in this sentence, action started in the past and continued up to the another time in the past. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? So you can easily notice this started. This is the second form of the verb. So it shows past tense. It shows action started. Look, action started. This playing. This action started in the past and continued up to the past. Another time in the past. Clear or not clear? It means action started in the past and continued up to something else happened. Yes, screen नहीं show रही. वो मैम साइड पे जो स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, got it or not? So, you know, now what is this tense? So, this tense is past perfect continuous tense. So, what is our topic of the day? That is past perfect continuous. Very good, shabash. So past perfect continuous tense indicates the action that started in the past and continued up to the another time in the past. Started in the past and continued up to the past. Okay, clear or not clear? But present perfect continuous started in the past and continued up to the present time. Clear or not clear? Okay. Now, how this tense is formed? Okay. So this tense is formed by using, yes, by using had been, okay, plus verb 1 plus ing form of verb, plus time reference, since or for. So you already know that we use since for point of time, for point of, and we use for, yes, very good, shabash, duration of time. Okay, now I'm going to make it very simple for you. You say, ma'am, we don't understand point of time or duration of time, isn't it? Okay, I'll make it simpler. Okay, so wait. So whenever you are writing for, let's start with the smallest fraction. That is for 2 seconds. For 2 seconds. Okay, for 2 minutes. Sec minutes, and after that for 2 hours. Okay, then sec minute hour for 2, very good, for 2 days. And what next? Sec minute hour days, week, for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. Okay, now what comes next? 4, 2, 3, 4 months. Oh, I'm sorry. For 2 months, 2 or 3, 4, whatever. Okay, months. Clear or not clear? Now what next? 4, 2, 3, 5 or years. Yes. Now what next? Nothing. Okay. Now if we have to use since, then how will we use? We'll have to specify the day. For example, since Monday, since Tuesday, we have to give the name of particular month or year. Clear or not clear? When we are using, okay? Suppose week, last week, since last week. Clear or not clear? So I'm just particularly mention now. Okay, next month, since January, since February, I'm giving the particular name of the month. Clear or not clear? Clear? Next year, particular year. For example, I had been living in this house since 2010. Clear? Clear? Okay, now I hope it is clear to you. One more thing. Oh, sorry. So we also use since for like last week. Okay, then since midnight, since morning, since evening. Okay, clear bache? I hope this is clear to you. Now if I want to convert this sentence into negative, then what should I do? Kya karna chahiye? What I would do, I would simply add not, and we'll insert not after the boys the boys, yes, the boys had not. So we'll put not after had. Clear or not clear? So the boys had not been playing. Yes, not been playing for an hour. Okay, look, clear or not clear? Now what you have to do, you have to convert. You want to convert it into interrogative. How will you convert this interrogative sentence? Yes. Yes, very good. Big clap for him. Hurry up, class. Very good. Okay, so what we'll simply do? We simply put had before the subject, and this is the subject. Okay, so we'll start like this. Had the boys been playing for an hour. Okay, and what do? We put a sign of question mark at the end. I hope it is clear to you. Clear? Okay. Now, still my turn. I'll just give you some more examples so you will be able to create or develop new sentences. Okay? You all listen. Then you have to frame your own sentences. Okay? So, okay. What happened yesterday? I had been using computer. I had been using computer for an hour, or you can say since morning. Okay, I had been using computer when the electricity supply was suddenly cut off. What I was doing? I had been doing? I had been using computer till the another time in the past. What was another time? When electricity supply was suddenly cut off. So this happened. Something else happened. Till उस time तक मैं क्या कर रहा था? What I was doing? I had been using the computer. तब तक मैं करता रहा. Till the another time. क्या हुआ था फिर next? Suddenly the water supply was electricity supply was suddenly. Clear or not clear? So this was the example from my side. Now can you suggest one example from your side? Hurry up. Okay, I'll give you a clue. So before the teacher came, another time, I've just given you another time. So you try to frame one sentence. Yes, Raghav, very good. Don't use I. Yes. Sorry, repeat. Very good. I had been doing something else. I had been eating my lunch. Okay. Before the teacher came. So you at that time before the teacher coming, what were you doing? You had been taking your lunch or breakfast. Okay. Clear? Very good. Big clap for him. Hurry up. Shabash. Okay. I can give one example. So you know what the class was doing? The class had been, or the students had been making noise. The students had been making noise before the teacher arrived. Big clap for me. Hurry up. Okay, very good, Shabash. Okay, so I'm going to give turn to online students. Okay, let's see what have they learned. So I'm going to give turn to Pavni. Okay, Pavni. Yes, I've unmuted you, bache. Pavni, you please, I've unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
So what you have to do, you have to give one example using past perfect continuation. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. I had been playing chess for an hour.
Okay, very good. Clap for her. Hurry up. Okay. I've given something. Okay, there's something for you. Very good, Pavni. Very good. Now, what you have to do, you have to convert this sentence into negative. Who will convert? Okay, Kritikya will convert. Kritikya, I have unmuted you.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
I can't repeat, dear. Pavni, what Pavni said? What was the example? Okay, she said I had been playing chess for an hour. Okay. So, Kritikya, you have to convert it into negative.
Ma'am, I had not been playing chess for 2 hours.
Okay, for an very good. Shabash. Something. Okay, you get this from my side. This. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. So now I'm going to give turn to please mute. Okay, this. Okay, now I'm going to give turn to yes, Divya. Divya, what you have to do? You have to convert this sentence into interrogative. Hurry up.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Okay. Pavni said, I had been playing chess for an hour. Okay. So you have to convert it into interrogative. Hurry up.
I've been playing chess for an hour.
Please, offline students, show your hand. Yes. Hurry up.
Had been playing for an hour.
Yes. Had I been playing for an hour. Very good, Shabash. Very good. Big clap to you. Get this from my side. This. Very good, Shabash. Bachche, keep it up. Okay. So I'm going to write one example. Okay, so just one more example. Can you suggest? Okay, you know what happened yesterday? Okay, one example. My sister, very good, had been. My sister had been sleeping. She had been sleeping. She had been sleeping for an hour. Okay. When I woke, her up. Okay. So this had been past continuous tense. Action started in the past and continued up to कब तक वो सोती थी जब तक मैंने उसे नहीं जगाया. Okay. So when I woke her up. So this is another time in the past. I hope it is clear to you. Clear or not clear? What happened? Okay, what happened? Now you try to give your own example. Yes, what's your name? Samya. Okay, Samya. The kids had been. Okay, I suggest one thing. Okay, wait. So father had been cooking food when father had been cooking food for an hour or for 2 hours when the mother or before the mother came. Okay, I'm going to write this sentence. Okay, the father. Okay, the father had been cooking. Father had been cooking. Okay, for 2 hours. For 2 hours. When? Okay, before the mother. Before the mother arrived or came. You can write anything. I hope it is clear to you. So what was being done? Action continued in the started in the past and continued up to जब तक नमा नहीं पहुंची. Father क्या कर रहे थे? What he had been doing? He had been cooking food. He was trying his hand on something else. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Clear or not clear? Okay, now what you have to do, try to give your answer. Okay, try to what is your homework for today? First, you have to frame at least 5 sentences using past perfect continuous tense. And what is the next step? You have to convert them into after that into interrogative. So it means you have to frame at least 15 sentences. Clear or not clear? Do it in your English rough notebook. Clear? You have to do practice. Clear? And one thing you can do. Okay, let's play a game. Okay, I just speak out one sentence and you have to convert that into past perfect continuous. Okay? Okay, here I'm start. You all please, online, offline students, get ready. So first is, I have been reading since morning. Okay? I have been reading since morning. You have to convert this sentence into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, who will give me the answer? Dhare, you come. Face the camera. Stand in the middle. Yes, here. Very good. I've been reading books since morning. Big clap for him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Now, now you listen. I had been watching TV for 2 hours. I had been watching. Okay. Now you have to convert it into present perfect continuous tense. Online student Shiven, and no, nobody is supposed to say, "Ma'am, please repeat." You have to be attentive. Okay. मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या बोला था. I had been watching TV for 2 hours. Okay. Yes, Divya, I have unmuted you. I had been watching TV for 2 hours. Now convert it into present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Yes, Divya? Divya is not responding. Okay, I'm going to give turn to...
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, yes, please repeat.
No.
Please repeat the question.
If you will say repeat, so I'll not give turn to you.
Ma'am,
I'm going to give turn to Mehak. Mehak, I have unmuted you.
I have been watching TV for 2 hours.
Very good. I have been watching TV for 2 hours. Very good. Excellent. Okay, something for you. This. Big clap. Very good. Okay. This is one sentence. I have not been playing since morning. I have not been playing since morning. Now you have to convert it into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So you, Raghav, please come. Raghav, please come. Yes. I had not been playing since morning. Very good. Go to your seat. Very good. Big clap for him. Very good. Okay. I hope this topic is very much clear to you. Okay. So now I'm going to discuss something with you. Okay. You please open your book slide. Okay. Now you know what? So open your book up to page number 130. Okay? Yes, open your book up to page number 130. Okay? So here you at the end, letter writing. Yes, letter writing has been given. So imagine you are Johnny. So write a short letter to your father about the fun you are having with your kidnappers. Wow, isn't it amazing? So you are Johnny. वैसे सच में बताऊं truly you boys all are Johnny. Yes. Okay. So anyhow, that's good. तो अब हमें क्या करना? What we have to do? We have to develop a letter. So first you need to understand what kind of letter it is. Can you tell me, is it a formal letter or informal letter? What happened? Is it formal letter or informal letter? Woman? Informal letter. It is an informal letter. Informal letters are the letters which are used, which are used to write. Sorry, which are written to our friends, family members, and relatives. Clear or not clear? So here, Johnny. So Johnny is going to write a letter to his father. Now he is he is sharing his experience of being kidnapped. Okay, he has been kidnapped. So what he is doing? He is sharing his experience. So, okay, now what you have to do? So it is your homework. You need to develop this letter. So how will you develop? Okay, hurry up. So, who will try? Yes. So, I am going to give turn to uh, yes, Shantanu. Shantanu, I have unmuted you. Okay, Shantanu is not responding. Okay, Myra. Myra, I have unmuted you, bache. You tell. What is the first step to write a informal letter? What is the first step? What is the first step?
Ma'am,
Yes.
good morning, ma'am.
Please tell what is the first step to write informal letter?
Ma'am, first we will write the address.
Wow, whose address? Receivers or senders?
Ma'am, senders.
Who is sender? You are the sender. That you are the sender, Johnny. Okay, and where are you at this?
Ma'am, ma'am, we will write the address of Dorset. Ma'am, Dorset.
No, beta. Sender's address is to be written on the at the top of the left hand corner. Okay. So who is sender? You are the sender. Okay. So you will write your own address. Clear or not clear? Clear? So you can write any address. Okay. So what is the next step? So I am going to give turn to another student. So what is another step? Shantanu. I have unmuted you, bete. Shantanu, what is the next step? Shantanu is not responding. Yes, Divya, I have unmuted you. Divya, do you hear me? Divya is not responding. Okay, Bhavya. Bhavya, I have unmuted you. Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Beta question that is given at page number 130. That is an informal letter. You are Johnny. What you have to do?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have one. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Okay, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, page number on 129. The ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya. Okay. Okay, who will tell? Offline students. Who will come over here? What is the next step? After sender's address, what do we write? Do you remember? No. We write date. We write and which date? Current date or full date. Is it clear or not clear? Clear? And after leaving some line, after leaving one line after the date, below the date, what do we write? We write salutation. What is the meaning of salutation? To greet somebody in a polite way. Johnny is writing a letter to his father. So what will we write? Dear father. Okay. So what comes next? Next is the most important part. That is the content. That is the message. And what's that message? So first you need to say what? Ask for the well-being. What is the first step? To ask? Ask for the well-being of the person to whom you are writing. So how do we write these ones? Yes. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Yes. I'm fine and hope the same for you. Okay. And next. Okay. Okay. How will you start? How the journey will start our letter? So he is sure that the father must be worried. Okay? So वो father को क्या बोलेगा? What he will write? I know you are worried because I have been kidnapped, or the kidnappers have kidnapped me. Okay? I know you are worried because the kidnappers have kidnapped me. But don't worry. What is it? You tell, was Johnny afraid of kidnappers? Was he afraid? No, he was not. Okay, you tell. Was he enjoying? Yes, he was enjoying. What is writing? But don't worry. What is writing? Don't worry. I am pretty much. I am fine here. I am enjoying. So, okay, this is the way he is writing. So don't worry, father. I am very much. I am fine here. You know what? Now, how is enjoying? Now you have to. Now you in the second para. Okay, you have to write why. You have to give the reason. Okay, you have to write the supporting line. So how he was enjoying? So he said, what he wrote? Okay, I am fine. Don't worry. I'm fine here. Okay. So I am enjoying here. How is he enjoying? Hurry up. You please tell. Okay, I am irritating the kidnappers. Okay, you just start giving. Start, please. Say something now. Yes, no school. What he said? Okay, hurry up. Could you try to add some lines? How he was enjoying there? Don't worry, I am enjoying here as there is no worry to go to school, no homework. And you know what? I like camping. I like camping. And I have never ever enjoyed. I have never ever fun like this at home. People ऐसे fun था ही नहीं. Or you know what? And again, you have to add some more lines. You know what? I irritate two kidnappers. Okay, they are very good. Okay, Bill and Sam, the kidnappers are very good. You know what? I enjoy their company. I play with them different games. And yesterday I played a game, Indian Warrior. Okay, so what happened? So you can say, so you can add one incident. So I really enjoy their company. I just play games with them, and I usually play the game Indian Warrior. And you know what? I am always the red cheese.